Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Forest River Rockwood Ultra-Lite 2912BS. 2 slide outs. It's got a dry weight of 7,581 pounds. King bed in the front. Rear bathroom. Awning toppers over your slide outs. Slam latch compartment doors, your front storage. Magnetic clips holding up the doors. Large storage area under the bed. The Rockwood Ultra-Lites have frameless windows. Spot for 2 batteries and 2 30-pound propane tanks. Power tongue jack. Does have electric stabilizers. And it is prepped for solar. Here's the other side of your pass-through storage. Large full-length electric awning with LED lights. Your step above aluminum steps folds right up into the camper for a nice clean look. Aluminum rims. Large outside kitchen, the large refrigerator and a cooktop. Storage area. You do have a spot for an outside grill as well. On the back you have a rear ladder, spare tire, your outside shower compartment. And it does have prep for a backup camera. As we enter into the Rockwood 2912BS, nice linoleum floor. Good storage as soon as you walk in underneath the kitchen counter. Your control station. Your storage area here, as soon as you walk in, can be a pantry, hanging area, or you can take the shelves out. Goes all the way to the bottom. Nice shoe spot. Another storage area here. Your stainless steel sink with a flush cover. Large oven, flush mount cover as well. Microwave, more storage. The rear bathroom model. We ordered this one with the table and chairs. It does have storage underneath each chair. Sleeper sofa folds out for a bed. You can sleep 3 to 4 comfortably in this. Storage as well underneath the TV and above the fireplace. It does put out electric heat. Furrion soundbar. Huge storage behind this TV. A nice hidden area where you can put a safe, you can put your DVDs, you can put anything you want back there. Large refrigerator, freezer. The bathroom area, you've got a nice large closet with shelving. Closet, you can remove the bars, and you have a washer dryer prep in here. Toilet, you've got storage above. Large corner shower with the overhead skylight. That box is your outside grill. Pocket doors in there so you can close off that laundry area. Good storage and countertop extension. As we enter into the master bedroom, like I said, it is a king size bed. Good storage underneath the bed with drawers. A little unique sitting area up front. You can put your shoes on, get dressed. Overhead storage here as well. Huge wardrobe area with drawers. You're prepped for another TV. Also in here you have a pocket door that closes off the master bedroom from the living area. It is the American maple wood in this with the pebble decor. This brand new 2019 Forest River Rockwood 2912BS, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. Set up a time to come see it in person. 757-833-3633. Thank you. Have a nice day.